Alrighty, hey guys, this is Garrison over here at Massey Toyota. And here in front of me we do have a 2018 Toyota 4Runner 4x4 Limited. It is going to be in classic silver metallic with the redwood leather interior. It also does have the unique 50-50 split third row option. Speaking of options, we'll check out the others. It's about $1,400 for your third row. You also do have the clear paint protection hood and door package, as well as all-weather mats and phone charger, for a total of $47,516. Sorry if that was a little difficult to see. You do have 17 in the city, 20 out on the highway for MPG. Coming down here to your wheels, you're riding on your 20-inch alloys. Come on your limited trim. Coming around back, you do have your power rear glass, as well as your tow hitch, parking sensors, and rear backup camera. Then we do have our smart key access, so just keep the key fob on you. Hand behind the door handle to unlock. Stepping in, put our foot on the brake, press our button to start. This one does have 3 miles on it, so let's check out underneath the hood. And coming underneath the hood, you do have the 4-liter dual overhead cam V6 engine. You have dual variable valve timing with intelligence, producing 270 horsepower, 278 foot-pounds of torque, all going to all 4 wheels through a full-time four-wheel drive system and a 5-speed automatic transmission. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. Now coming back in, you have that redwood leather interior. It's going to be perforated for your heated and vented functions. You also do have your fully powered driver's seat with your power lumbar connected to your 2-person memory. You also do have your all-weather mats that we did see on the window sticker. Go into your door panel, nice padded and stitched soft touch up top, padded and stitched armrest, all automatic windows, power locks. You also do have your power mirrors over here, as well as your parking sensors, windshield wiper de-icer, and your activation for your AC outlet back there in the trunk. Coming to your steering wheel, this is going to be a 4-spoke leather-wrapped wheel. We have our 4-way D-pad for our audio controls. We also do have our volume, Bluetooth, and voice commands over here with your display button for that center screen. Cruise control on a separate stalk. Automatic headlights, fog lights, as well as your blinkers. Then over on the right, variable inertant speed wipers with wheel wiper controls. Now, as you can see, the nice wood-like accents around the cabin, shift knob, as well as on the dash. And coming to your audio system, checking out sources, AM, FM, XM, CD, USB, Bluetooth streaming audio, and auxiliary inputs on this model. Going home, a nice split screen view that you can customize, and then going to your navigation, destination input. As you can see, your map right there. You can input an address, select from point of interest, or designate 6 different presets down below right there. You can customize your home screen as well by going up here to your settings, home screen 2-panel or 3-panel, and then you select the portion you want to customize. Below that, dual zone auto climate control with your fan speed, as well as temperature and your zones over here. Here you do have your heated and vented seats for your front passengers, USB and auxiliary audio inputs, as well as a 12-volt. Cup holders, various storage cubbies. You also do have your 4-wheel drive controller. And this is going to be your 5-speed automatic with your sport mode and manual shift. You have your rear view camera right here on your audio screen, as well as your power sliding rear glass. Now coming down here to your armrest, nice padded, as well as you can see plenty of storage down there with your 12-volt. Plenty of room down there in your glove box as well. Auto dimming rearview mirror. Mirror and vanity lights on your sun visor with a nice little extension right there. You also do have your map lights, garage home link, as well as some off-road controls, SOS Safety Connect, sunglass storage, and your controls for your automatic power sliding sunroof. So we'll go ahead and close that up. And that'll conclude the front portion of the tour. Let's go ahead and check out the rear seats. Coming back here, of course, your redwood leather does carry through in your second row bench seat back here. As you can see, all weather mats do follow through, as well as all your padded materials, automatic window and door storage. Front seat 7x5'9" driving frame, plenty of room, plenty of footroom down below as well. As you can see, you do have your rear AC vents, as well as 2 power outlets back here. Over here to my right, nice padded armrest that's stitched, cup holders right there. You also do have your adjustable headrest back here in the rear seat, nice dome light, and then you have damped cornering handles with coat hooks up top. Third row is going to be easier to access over here on the passenger side due to the sliding seat we have. So just lift up on this lever and it will slide forward. Now, as you can see, we do have 2 jump seats back there, 3-point seat belts and headrest of course, and you do have cup holders on either side. So it is more than adequate to use in a pinch. Now let's check out the cargo area. And coming around back, we'll go ahead and demonstrate that power sliding rear glass. So just have the smart key on you. Press and hold your down button to make the glass go down, of course. Press and hold up to lock your doors and for the glass to go back up. Go ahead and unlock your doors to open up your hatch. And as you can see, there is minimal room behind your third row, but it is super easy to lower them. So as you can see, it is a 50-50 split, so it does expand cargo room vastly. You also do have your 40-20-40 split folding second row to expand cargo room even more for a more versatile cargo area. JBL premium audio system, as well as that power outlet that is household. You also do have a 12 volt. And that about wraps it up for the cargo area. Go ahead and close up the hatch. And so that'll be it for the 2018 Toyota 4Runner 4x4 Limited. Now if you are interested in this vehicle or any of the model out here at Massey Toyota, feel free to contact them. All the information is in the description below. So once again guys, this is Garrison over at Massey, and I will see you in my next video.